For this assignment, you'll need to create a folder on your desktop that will eventually contain all of the elements of your coded website. You can do this by right-clicking on a PC or by holding down the Control key on a Mac and clicking on your desktop. Click on New Folder and name your folder something like lastname_coding. So for me, that would be Eddie_coding. And hit Return. Now, search for the Brackets application on your computer and open it. Brackets remembers the last project you were working on, and so there may be files already loaded into the workspace. To start a new project, we're going to go to File and click on Open Folder, and we're going to choose the folder that we just made. So that would be on our desktop, Eddie Coding, and Open. We'll see that the folder is loaded into the workspace because its name is listed here in the left column. Now we're going to create the two main components for our website, our HTML page and our CSS page. Let's go back to File and click New, and that loads an empty working file in our workspace. Let's immediately go and save this within our folder. We're going to name this index.html and make sure that it's in our coding folder. And we're going to hit Save. We'll see that the file moves down under our folder in this left column. Now we're going to repeat this process, go to File, New, and we're going to make our second document, which we're going to save as stylesheet.css, also making sure that it's in the same folder. And save. Again, we'll see that it's under the folder in this left column. Both of these names are important and should be written out exactly as they are here and in the lesson. When a web browser tries to load your website, it will look for files with these exact names in order to display your site properly. Now let's work on our HTML file. This file will hold all the elements that we see in our finished website. So I've written out some code similar to the code that we see in our lesson. Your website that you make will probably have code a lot like this. After typing out some code, we can double check that our code is working by going to File and clicking on Live Preview. Live Preview opens your index.html file in a web browser window, showing you what your HTML code looks like. This is a great way to check for errors in your code, since you'll be able to tell right away if something is not showing up. You can also open your website by opening up the folder on your desktop and clicking on the index directly. So if I go and find my folder, I can click on Index directly. Oh, but I have not saved it, so it's not going to appear. Let's go back to Brackets and we can see this little dot, it's not saved. To save our file, we will go to File and Save. And we can see that the dot is gone. If we go back to our window and refresh, we'll see that it's appearing. As you're typing out your code, it is very important to save your file from time to time.